morning, students. Today we will discuss about factors affecting agriculture. A number of different factors can cause agricultural productivity to increase or decrease. The production of the crop never depends on single factors. Dear students, keep in mind, the production of the crop never depends on single factors. The production of crop depends on the combination of several factors. Agriculture development is possible only in certain regions of the world. It is influenced by the various physical and economic factors. So let us find some physical factors that affect the crop production. Physical or geographical factors. Under physical or geographical factors, we will discuss about relief, climate and soil. So the first physical or geographical factor is relief or topography. Relief or topography means types of land like mountain, plateau, plains, etc. So the nature of topography plays a significant role in the development of agriculture. If I am talking about plains, plains are more suitable for agriculture than the highlands. Why? Why plains are more suitable than the highlands or the mountains or plateau? Because density of population is generally high in plain areas. What do you mean by density of population? Density of population means number of peoples live in per square kilometer. So the population is very high in plain areas, and this helps in providing cheap labor and market for farm products. The flat topography facilitates use of machine and means of transportation can be easily developed in the plain areas, whereas it is difficult to use machine in rugged topography. The river basins and deltas are more suitable for agriculture because of availability of water and fertile soil as compared to mountain region or highlands. Now, the next physical factor is climate. Climate plays a dominating role in agriculture, and each crop has its own requirement of temperature and rainfall. That's why the variation in climatic condition supports different crop pattern. For example, wheat is a crop of temperate region. Keep in mind, the wheat is an example of temperate region, and rice grows well in tropical region. What do you mean by a tropical region? Tropical region means the region between the 23.5 degree north to 20.5 degree south. So in tropical region, where temperature is high throughout the year, agriculture is successfully done. And in temperate region means region between the 20.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south. I hope you understood about the climate factor which affect the agriculture. Now, the third physical factor is soil. The richness of soil is another important physical factor affecting agriculture. Soil differ in respect of physical and chemical composition. Soils may be fine or coarse, porous or non-porous. In general, fine soils are very fertile, and the chemical composition of the soil determines its productivity. each crop has its own requirement of soil, and alluvial soil and black soil are the most fertile soil for agriculture. So these are all about the physical or geographical factors. Now let's talk about economic factors. Under economic factors, we will discuss about size of land holdings, labor and capital. The first economic factor is size of land holding. The term land holding or agriculture holding indicating average size of agricultural land held by the farmers in India. So the size of farms affect the agriculture pattern and the yield per unit hectare. In the densely populated areas of the developing countries like India, because you know India is a developing country, the farm size is generally very small. As I told you, India is a developing country and the population is very high, so the size of agricultural land is very small. Now labor. The supply of labor determines the character and types of agriculture. Availability of cheap and efficient labor is essential for the cultivation of crops like rice, tea, cotton and rubber. The farmers of Punjab greatly depends on migrant laborers for growing wheat and rice crop. Thus, the factor of availability of labor also play a vital role in agriculture. The last economic factor is capital. Agriculture in the modern times is become mechanized. You know very well that nowadays agriculture is becoming more mechanized. This involves huge capital investments. All agriculture inputs like the HYV seeds, means of irrigation, fertilizers, pesticides, hiring labor, machines, land lease, fodder, fuel, power and veterinary services require capital. So nowadays, if we're talking about the modern mechanized agriculture, we need more capital as compared to traditional type of farming. So these are the different factors affecting agriculture. I hope you all understood about it. Thank you and have a nice day.